Hello, today I wanted to talk to you about 4.3 guided reading. So for your directions, you are going to complete this assignment as you read pages 74 through 81 in your textbook. And what I have done is I have given you, let's look at number one. I've given you two statements. You'll read both statements and you can see they're a little bit different. Letter A on number one says that soil and forest are renewable resources, while letter B calls them non-renewable resources. So what you're going to do is highlight the statement that is true in each pair. So I'm just going to randomly say B is correct. I'm not saying that's correct, just for purposes of showing you what to do. So you highlight what you want to highlight. Okay, if that's your answer, that's what you would do. So let's say on number 4, I think B is correct. I'm going to highlight with my mouse first, then I'll come up here to the little marker and click whatever color I want to highlight that statement saying that is my answer. All right, you have 7 pairs of statements to do while you read. And then down here at the bottom, number 8, you're just going to explain one way that farmers can avoid soil erosion. There are many things they can do to avoid soil erosion, but explain one way that the book gives you, and you'll put that here in number 8. If you have any questions, please let me know.